Mm. Hi, good morning. May I ask, is this Miss Safira?
Yes, this is Safira speaking.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Let's start the interview now, shall we?
Yes,
Please tell me a little bit about yourself.
my name is Safira. I've been working as a graphic designer at a technological startup company for 3 years. My responsibilities include work with the art director to create visual concept for online banners, advertisement, and brochures that inform or persuade our consumers. I always been interested in graphic design, specifically in advertisements, which I studied in college. I consider myself to be a smart, creative, and standard-driven team worker who wants to work in an environment that encourages innovation, where everyone is passionate about their work, and where I will be pushed and challenged to be the best I possibly can be. In previous roles, I enjoyed getting involved in new projects, solving difficult problems, and trying to come up with creative ways to meet the needs of our consumers.
Why do you want to work for us?
Although your company has a formidable reputation for making innovative, groundbreaking products, it is but only one of the factors. This place will be a place where I can achieve great things whilst working alongside talent and enthusiastic people, and at the same time being the best I possibly can be. You're always innovative in ways people never do possible, in fact, as we speaking. I hear your company is developing new project that can bring about change to the world. This tells me you are a company that never sits still and you are constantly looking to innovate and improve. That are you prepared to push the boundaries of what is achievable? On average, we, um, we spend over 30 years at work during our lifetime, so I want to make sure the work I do has a positive, lasting impact on the world, whilst at the same time making sure I achieve my full potential.
Do you have any experience relevant to this position?
Yes, I do. When I was in college, I worked as a graphic designer intern at a creative agency where I was involved in several projects. There I honed my skills in creating design for branding. It was there then I discovered the field that I want to go into for my career. After that, I worked in my previous company for 3 years before I quit and went to apply to your company because I believe this company can give me better chance at harnessing and upgrading my skills and ability.
Why did you leave that position?
I feel I wasn't able to show my talents and I'm looking for a job where I can grow with the company. I'd love to be involved in the strategic project process and digital marketing for a specific company, and I know I'd have that opportunity here.
Can you tell me more about your strength?
I'm ambitious. I will always set myself goals and it motivates me to work hard. I have achieved my goals so far with my training, education, and work experience, and now I'm looking for ways to improve myself and grow. I'm proactive. When I think about things, I do them. I'm a really good listener, but I'm also a good talker too. But I think listening skills are even more important. I'm also a team player. I'm eager to learn new things and I have a good analytical thinking.
How about your weaknesses?
Sometimes I slowed in completing my task compared to other because I really want to get things right. I will double or sometimes triple check documents and files to make sure everything is accurate. And if I plan ahead for potential problems, then I don't stress out at all because I have a good idea of what to do next.
Was there a time when you showed excellent achievement at your job?
My great performance and achievement is when I was given responsibility to lead a campaign. I noticed that our team has difficulty building awareness, so I took initiative to gather the team and discuss our strategy based on the personal and target audience we want to hit. We analyzed our previous data that has proven to work as a strategy. I also implement short beta testing at the end of the campaign. Our social media audience grew by 70%.
So where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
I would like to be seen as someone with expertise in design and branding, especially in the commercial sector. I also see myself becoming a project leader and eventually mentoring other employees, and definitely I enhance my knowledge.
Have you ever encountered a difficult teammate or colleague?
Actually, yes, I have. There was a of mine in my previous workplace who keeps missing the deadline, which slows down our workflow. I tried to talk to him at first, but he became very defensive. After work hour, I tried to talking to him again. This time I kept my calm and let him know that I understand that his deadlines can be overwhelming. Then I asked him how can I help him to improve.
How do you feel about working under pressure?
I personally feel I can work under pressure, but I can't take so much. I usually break down each project into small tasks and set a schedule for them so I know what needs to be done. If the stress is caused by college or my supervisor, I will try to discuss the problems with them and how we both could handle the situations.
Can you tell me what salary are you looking for?
For the salary I expect to work here, I approximately 10 million every month, and as I heard for this position, and I hope my salary can follow my performance in the future.
Why should we hire you here?
I have the insight and big passion to digital media. I won't stop learning and adapting with the change.
Do you have any questions regarding our interview or anything?
At the moment, I have no questions, but I have one I will let you know. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity for an interview and for giving me some of your precious time.
Okay, I guess that's the end of our interview. Thank you very much for your time. We will send an email regarding the result of our interview today. Have a nice day. See you.
Okay, thank you so much. See you.